probably teens, and it's just crazy. It's like your teens. This video is a different type of video. And because of that, I will be talking about the pink whale challenge. Now, just kidding. So today I will be talking about why I'm not going to be posting as often anymore. It's because actually it's about stay safe in coronavirus. So corona is going around, so I want you guys to stay, my lovely, lovely people, all those people in the world. And apparently coronavirus won't chill itself down. So actually, I'm gonna chill it down. So I want you to let's do a contest on who could spread the word the most. Now I know this is kind of a stupid contest to do, but I know it. But I just want you guys to spread the word and stay hold on. Stay safe. Stay safe. It's kind of stupid on me, but I'm not Siri. I want you guys to stay safe, or whatever it's called. And yes, I'm not a stupid 70 or 8-year-old. I'm a smart 8-year-old. And once I do my face reveal, probably nobody will watch it and nobody will want to, because I'm not that famous. So I hope you guys, all I care about is keeping you guys safe and spreading it to be safe. So, yeah. So instead of ending the video here, I just wanted to tell you guys that just stay safe and don't do anything. Stay away from the blue whale challenge as well as coronavirus. Now, I'm going to do a little dancing for you guys before I end the video. Actually, here's my new well, actually. Yeah, I know it's playing. Sorry if your dishes washing in the background. So instead of just ending the video here, I will do a little dancing for you guys. Thanks YouTube for letting me post this video. You let me. So anyways, I will let Addison dance. Let's see.